So students, we are discussing today exercise 1.2, on which we have already completed two of the questions which were related to number line, and today we will discuss more about the rational numbers, and I will take the concept of integer over here. Okay, I will take the concept of integer over here because you are knowing all the integers are rational number, which you already know. So there are some questions which I am just going to ask from you all. Please reply in the chat box. Can you tell me minus 1 is the greatest integer, greatest smallest integer or smallest negative integer? If minus 1 is the greatest negative integer, it means all the negative integer which are left, they all are smaller than minus 1. Okay? So can you please tell me that which are the integers? Write it down, 5 negative integer which are smaller than minus 1. Please write it down in the chat box that 5 negative integers which are smaller than minus 1. So remember students, your answer is absolutely correct. You people have written minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and even minus 100, minus 1000. These all are the integer which are smaller than minus 1. Now can you please type in the chat box that what are the integers which are greater than minus 1? Please type in the chat box which are the integers which are greater than minus 1. So students, now you must be thinking that why I am asking these questions, like which are greater than minus 1, which are smaller than minus 1. So first of all, let me tell you the concept that integer, all the integers comes in rational number only, which I have already taught you in the beginning when I gave you the introduction of rational number. So remember, all the integers are rational numbers only. Now suppose you should always you are always already remembering it, that which we have already done in class 6 and 7, that minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. All the negative integers which are left except minus 1, they are all smaller than minus 1, and all the positive integers including 0 are greater than minus 1. Okay, so if you talk about these set of integers, you are knowing very well about it. So if you will see exercise 1.2, you will have some questions which I am just now discussing over here. The question number 3 is telling us, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Smaller than 2 means 2 ke pehle what comes? 1. So 1 is smaller than. Now 0 smaller than, minus 1 smaller than, then again minus 2 again is smaller, minus 3 again is smaller. It means if it is asking, you have to write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So 2 is a positive one. So all negative will be there in smaller only. So you can have any integer, or you can also write any rational number which you feel so. Like all the proper also. Like 1 by 2, 1 by 7, 5 by 8, 5 by 9. These all are proper rational numbers, and you are knowing all the proper fractions or all the proper rational numbers are always less than 1. वो 1 से हमेशा छोटे होते हैं क्योंकि they are part of whole. So you can also write all the negatives, or also you can write it down all the proper rational numbers like 1 by 2, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 11. These all will be smaller than 2. Your question number 6 was, write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Now you must be knowing this is minus 2 written and you want greater than, and this is negative integer. So everybody knows when you talk about negative integers, all the positive are greater than negative only. So you can also take minus 1, you can take 0, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Any positive integer will be greater than minus 2. So this are the two questions which are very simple, and you should do it the question in your fair copy. Remember students, we are doing today the topic finding rational numbers in between, which we have already studied in our last class, that is class 7th, when we were discussing the chapter rational numbers. So remember, whenever the question comes that you have to find out rational numbers in between. So remember, rational numbers like fractions only, which you are already knowing. All the fractions comes in rational number. So whatever the process which we have done it for fraction chapter, the same thing we will do it in this also. So always remember, between two rational numbers there are infinite rational numbers which you can find. Remember always. Okay? You can also find 5, you can also find out 10, you can also find out 1000, whichever comes in your exam. So remember, there are infinite rational number which you can find it out between two rational numbers. Now let us see how. Always remember, whenever a question comes that you have to find out rational number, first of all, see the fractions whatever written here, or see the rational number where you have to find out the rational number. या आपको जो इन नंबर इंसर्ट करने हैं उन रेशनल नंबर्स को पहले ले करके चलिए. I took it this way. Now what is you see, if denominator is not given, like the number is -3 and -4 only, so in that denominator you will take it 1. ठीक है, denominator you will take it 1. But remember, if denominator is already there like this, then what you have to do, you have to just make the denominator equal in both cases. And how to make denominator equal? There is only one process, that is LCM. ठीक है, so what we will do, इसका denominator है 5, इसका denominator है 2. So remember, LCM of 5 and 2 will be 10, which you already know. ठीक है, आ गया LCM कितना 10. Now सबसे पहले write it down this number and write it down this number and make their denominator 10. ठीक है, because LCM was 10, so I will make the denominator 10. So for making it 10, I need to multiply 2 over here, and for making 10, I need to multiply 5 over here. It will give you 5 by 10. This will give you -4 by 10. Now remember, this is a very simple process which you are doing it from many days. Like 6 से शुरुआत है आपकी, कैसे denominator को equal बनाया जाता है. ठीक है, so you always remembering that you can multiply the same number with numerator and same number with denominator also, it will not affect your question. So that is why I took 2 over here, 5 over here, and now you see denominator is 10 and denominator is 10. Okay, and now this has become the same denominator. So now I have -4 by 10 and another number is -5 by 10. Now if you have to find out numbers between this, you are knowing they get many numbers like -4 है यहाँ पे, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इसके बीच में हमको sufficient number मिल रहे हैं बेटा. But suppose अगर नहीं मिलते, in case नहीं मिलता, यहाँ पर हो जाता माइनस. Suppose क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पर होता माइनस और आपको इनके बीच में sufficient number नहीं मिलते, like -4 by 10, 5 by 10 आता, तब क्या करते हैं हम बेटा? बिना किसी प्रोसेस को यूज किए हुए just write it down 0 over here and 0 over here. ठीक है, same thing 0 over here, 0 over here. Remember, you can add how many zeros you want because it will be like multiple of 10. ठीक है, तो लेकिन अगर आप ऊपर 0 दे रहे हैं तो आपको नीचे भी 0 देना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, same thing, if you are giving 0 to numerator, you have to give denominator also 0. Now you see the number, it's -40 and this is -50. Now you are again knowing that there are many numbers in between them, like -41 upon 100, -42 upon 100, now -43 upon 100, -44 upon 100, then -45 upon 100. There are so many numbers which you can take it between them. Okay, so remember, the first thing is that you have to see the denominator. Then second process, you have to make the denominator equal. How will you make the denominator equal? By the process of LCM. After making the denominator equal, if you are getting the numbers between them, then it is fine. Then you can write it down the answer directly. But remember, suppose you are not getting the answer in that case, so what will you do? You will add 0 into it. And remember, if you are giving 0 to numerator, you have to give the 0 to denominator also. And then find out the numbers between them. I hope it is clear. Please reply in the chat box. So yes, this is question number 7 from your NCERT book only. That is to find 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. Now, if you remember, I told you the first step is to make the denominator equal. Now, denominator is 4 and 5, so you are knowing the LCM would be 20 because 4 5s are 20. So it will give you the LCM 20 over here. Now, what will you do? Just make the denominator equal. So you need to multiply 5 over here, then it will give you 20. And this side you are going to multiply 4 over here, so that also it will give you 20. So this will give you 12 by 20, this will give you 15 by 20. Now you are knowing 15 or 12 के बीच में there are only two numbers like 13 and 14. 13 upon 20 and 14 upon 20. But you need to here 10 rational numbers as the question is instructing you. So what you need to do, I told you the process, just write it down these numbers and add zeros. Okay, and remember when you add zero, the zero you have to give to both the numbers. Numerator, denominator. Now see, we have 120 and we have 150. It means there can be 29 numbers which you can insert over here. So how many you want? You can take it from here. Now let us see. 121 upon 200. 122 upon 200. 123 upon 200. 124 upon 200. 125 upon 200. Same like this only. 126 upon 200. 127 upon 200. 128 upon 200. 129 upon 200. 130 upon 200. So there can be multiple numbers which you can write it down between these two. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Please write it down in the chat box. Yes, I gave you the question -3 and -4. Now this is the question where there is no denominator. So remember, when there is no denominator, it means denominator is 1. इसका कोई नहीं होता, उसका 1 होता है.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
It will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
-3 upon 1. Now after that, if denominator is not there only, then it means we have written it over here 1. Now you know that denominator is already equal. So just have 0. 0 over here, 0 over here. 0 over here and 0 over here. Now the number has and -40. So in this question, -30 upon 10, then -40 upon 10 we did it. Now if you will see this question only, 30 और 40 के बीच में there are 9 numbers. -31 upon 10, -32 upon 10, -33 upon 10, -34 upon 10, -35 upon 10, -36 upon 10, -37 upon 10, -38 upon 10. You can take as many numbers you want. Okay, so remember this process that finding rational numbers in between is very easy. If you will do it correctly, this question will not create any trouble among you. Okay.